Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to review adjectives and we're going to learn about how to use multiple adjectives in a sentence. Well, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. In other words, it describes people, places, and things. An adjective can tell what kind, how many, or which one. I have some examples of adjectives here for you. I have some words for you. Small, brown, blue, and cute. These are some describing words, or there's some adjectives here for you. Let's look at the first example. I see a blank pony. How can we describe this pony? Pony is the noun, and we would like to describe it with an adjective. Well, I think the best word that we can choose here is the word brown. I see a brown pony. Let's look at the second example that we have here. My friend is wearing a blank shirt. Well, the word shirt is the noun, and we would like to describe the noun here. So let's take a look at the choices we have. Which one can we use? I think you're right. We can use the word blue. Let's read the sentence again. My friend is wearing a blue shirt. I think that sounds more interesting than just saying my friend is. It just doesn't make sense. We need to have a descriptive word here. Or in the first one, I see a pony. So it's better to say I see a brown pony. Take a moment to copy the definitions of what is an adjective and what an adjective can describe, people, places, or things, and the fact that adjectives can tell us what kind, how many, or which one. Copy this in your grammar notebook. You can pause the video and copy them. Now here we're going to learn how to use multiple adjectives in a sentence. Sometimes we use more than one adjective to describe a noun, and when we do that, there is a proper order that we need to follow. Well, first comes number. That's number one. Then we can use our opinion, because our opinion matters the most, like what we think of something. Then it's the size. And we can describe the shape and the condition. And the last one that we have is the color. I just included some of those types of adjectives, not all of them, but at least for now to start, that's fine. Let's look at the first example that we have here. I see a blank dog sitting on our porch. Let's look at the choices that we have. I think I will go with my opinion. How am I going to describe the dog? Because the dog is the noun that I'm going to describe. I think the dog is cute, so I'll go with my opinion first. So I see a cute, then maybe I can choose one from the size. It is rather small, so I would choose the word small. I see a cute, small, black and white dog sitting on our porch. And we also need to use commas between the adjectives when we have multiple ones. Let's look at the second example together. The second sentence says, there is a blank ship sailing in the ocean. Well, this is rather a huge ship, so I think I'll go, and it is kind of grand, so maybe I should choose the word magnificent. There is a magnificent, then I choose the word red. I don't have here, maybe I should add that. There is a magnificent red ship sailing in the ocean. And there is another example. Let's look at this picture that we have. How would you describe these cute kittens, boys and girls? Well, I will give you a few seconds to look at the choices we have. Yes, I agree. You would go with the number first because I can see 3 kittens, so the number comes first when it comes to ordering your adjectives. Then I think they're rather adorable, so and that would be adorable. There are 3 adorable, and I think we should go with the color. Brown kittens playing in my backyard. So remember, boys and girls, when you use multiple adjectives in a sentence, you need to use the proper order for the adjectives. Number comes first, then it's opinion, your opinion because it matters the most, then it's size, shape, condition, and color. Now I would like you to try some on your own. I put some adjectives for you. Again, I will remind you the order. First comes number, then your opinion, then the size, then the shape, condition, and color. Go ahead and copy these sentences in your grammar notebook and choose what adjectives you would like to choose or to use to complete these sentences and make them more interesting. If you have any questions, we can discuss them tomorrow in our classroom.